Okay, Robbie, I need your help. Stick it through there quick. I'm sorry that was taking so long. It's just when there's a problem like that, you need to fix it because you don't want these things ending up broken. Yeah. Okay, hi, Mom.
Did you try to get your car working?
Yep. Okay. There we go. No, it's good, it's good, it's good. Okay, I want to see how much of a battery charge we actually have right now. Hold on there. Ow. Okay, go for it. So that's only use forward, don't use backwards or it gets really screwed up. Okay, yeah. Video. Okay. Well. Okay. They hit right. It hit right there. Sorry. So shouldn't do that much damage. But yeah, that's it's that our RC car can go pretty fast. So yeah.